Are you ready to explore one of the most exciting electric SUVs on the market? In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the MG ZS EV, a car that's redefining what it means to drive electric. Whether you're curious about its stylish design, advanced features, or impressive performance, this video has you covered. We'll take you through everything you need to know. The sleek and modern exterior that turns heads on the road. The spacious, tech-packed interior designed for comfort and convenience. Powerful battery performance and real-world driving range. Cutting-edge safety features and the latest EV technology. And of course, we'll discuss the price and why it's one of the best value-for-money electric SUVs out there. Whether you're considering an upgrade to an EV or just curious about what the MG ZS EV offers, this video will answer all your questions. Let's get started and discover why this electric SUV is making waves in the EV world. MG ZS EV, everything you need to know about this electric SUV. Welcome to this comprehensive video about the MG ZS EV, one of the most popular and affordable electric SUVs on the market today. Known for its spacious interior, advanced features and eco-friendly performance, this model is perfect for city drives and long journeys alike. Here's what we'll cover in this video. 1. Design and exterior. The MG ZS EV's exterior design features sleek, aerodynamic lines and a modern look. The closed front grille emphasizes its electric vehicle identity, while LED headlights and sporty wheels enhance its stylish appeal. 2. Interior and comfort. The interior of the MG ZS EV offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. It comes equipped with a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a digital driver display for a modern driving experience. Comfortable seats, a large 448-litre boot space, and ample rear legroom make it ideal for families. 3. Performance and battery. The MG ZS EV is available with 51 kWh or 72 kWh battery options, depending on the market. It offers a driving range of 300 km to 440 km on a single charge. Its electric motor delivers a 156 PS of power and 280 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and reliable performance. 4. Charging and technology. The MG ZS EV supports fast and efficient charging, with DC fast charging allowing the battery to go from 0% to 80% in just 30 to 40 minutes. Regenerative braking helps maximize energy efficiency. Equipped with MG Pilot, it includes features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assistance for enhanced safety. Pricing and benefits. The MG ZS EV is priced competitively compared to other electric SUVs in its segment. As an EV, it offers lower running costs and potential tax benefits, making it an economical choice. 6. Competitor comparison. The MG ZS EV competes with models like the Nissan Leaf, Hyundai Kona Electric, and Kia Niro EV. It stands out with its excellent price-to-performance ratio. Pricing and marketing strategy. The MG ZS EV stands out in the electric vehicle market with its affordable price and strong features. The brand's goal is to make electric vehicle technology accessible to a broader audience and position the ZS EV as one of the best value-for-money SUVs in its segment. Here are the details of its pricing and marketing strategy. Pricing. Competitive pricing policy. The MG ZS EV is offered at a more affordable price compared to its competitors in the electric SUV category. This provides a significant advantage in price-sensitive markets. Leverage incentives. Electric vehicle incentives further reduce the total cost of the MG ZS EV, influencing customer decisions. With lower operating costs and tax benefits, it becomes a budget-friendly choice. Trim levels. MG offers the ZS EV in various trim levels to cater to different budgets. This allows customers to choose the package that best fits their needs and finances. Marketing strategy. Target audience. The MG ZS EV is positioned as an ideal model for families, urban drivers, and individuals looking to embrace eco-friendly technology. It's also a secure entry point for first-time EV buyers. Digital marketing. Social media, online platforms, and influencer collaborations play a key role in promoting the MG ZS EV. The focus is on its eco-friendly features and affordability. Test drives and events. MG organizes test drives and public events to let potential customers experience the ZS EV's performance, building trust and confidence in the brand. Global outreach. MG follows an aggressive strategy to expand the ZS EV in global markets. It is highlighted as an eco-friendly and affordable electric SUV in regions like Europe, Asia, and beyond. Conclusion. The MG ZS EV is a standout model in the electric vehicle market thanks to its pricing and marketing strategy. With its affordable cost, strong features and marketing campaigns targeting a wide customer base, MG aims to bring the ZS EV to more consumers worldwide.